Hey, hey everybody, today. So I'm watching planes. There's a lot of people here.
There's a bird airplane flying.
Airplane.
An airplane bird.
It says, if you don't know, that says American. I have to like zoom in for you to be able to see what it says.
Hi.
Yeah, okay, that's Olivia. Yeah, okay, in a glimpse you can see that it says Olivia. I have this zoomed in. So
So I have to.
Okay, it's not zoomed in anymore.
Oh.
Okay. So we got the plane. A lot of people are here. This is a very weird hobby. And the planes like go and then they like fly all the way up there.
The planes are not that interesting.
Yeah, but there's a lot of people here for some reason. It's a very strange hobby for people to be here. Oh, there goes the plane. I might edit so that there's like that when the plane goes up, I might put an effect so that when the plane goes up, there's gonna be some kind of effect. So some. Oh yeah, the plane. Look at the plane is landing. It looks like it's about to crash. Oh my god, so yeah, okay. The plane looks like it's flying. Like it's really trying, and we can't forget that we have to and oh my god, Ava, what are you doing there? Okay, so apparently besides us is just gonna be there, and we can't forget that we have to show these flames when they go all the way up. So we got to like show so that the planes can go up. Let's wait until it goes up. So I'm gonna show you how it goes up. So it like leaves the airport and then suddenly you don't see the plane anymore. That's because it just went up. And there goes the plane. There goes the plane flying through the sky. Then we have this, and we can't forget we have to show me on this channel because who am I not showing me? I feel like that's kind of weird. Okay. That was kind of a little face reveal there because I would do it. Okay, if my channel gets 10 subscribers, if my channel gets 10 subscribers, I am going to make a face reveal showing you my face. Okay, so here's Anaya here. Then we got Carmen over here. Say hi, Carmen.
Hi.
And then we have Ava all the way over there. Then we have the person who brought us here. And then we also have Ava running to the thing, feeling like she's a goddess.